I'm Steve from This Week with Cars, and this is my 1972 Vixen 2500. It's been a while since you guys have seen this car, but it has been a weird year so far. I was supposed to be in England racing this weekend at the Silverstone circuit, but instead I am here, and there's a few things that I'd like to get done. The first thing that I would like to do is get this car fitted with the correct set of wheels. These are the correct set of wheels for this car. These were sent to me by Andrew Gray in the UK. I've got a set of 4 of them here, so I'm going to fit these with brand new tires. So I'm going to get those on the car, and this should make this look a whole lot better than these knockoff mini lights do. Here's the new wheels and tires. I'll get these fitted to the car, and I think this will make a big difference. Okay, the wheels are on. I think it looks great. Next thing I want to do is clean up the whole car, and then I have some touch-up paint. I'm going to touch up all the scratches. Okay, now I've got the paint clean. To go any farther than this, I would have to polish the paint, but you can only polish the paint so many times before you burn through it. So I'm not going to polish it now. I don't like to polish them until the cars are about done. But I've got some touch-up paint here now. I'm going to go and dab that in all the places that need it. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Certainly a lot better than it did look. There's one more little touch for these wheels, the TVR center caps. These are just adhesive. This is the way it is on all of the wheels that I've seen, so this must be the way that it was done. So I'll just get these popped on. Okay, I think that's a pretty good transformation for the TVR today. A couple videos ago I was doing donuts in one of my cars, and a few people complained about it, so I think I better get out and make sure this car can still do donuts in the parking lot.